Remember what happened during the closing arguments of the Depp versus Heard defamation case? Well, aside from the fact that Depp's team did a pretty good job compared to the acting show, Amber's lawyer prepared for everyone.
But what happened instead, as she's going through, as it's coming out, and in that 16 months they were going, well, nothing happened. Yeah, lots happened. She had 3 different films she was discussing. She got the L'Oreal contract. She got the stand. All of those things were happening.
At the end of the closing arguments, each party was given a chance to have their rebuttal, which is as important as the closing argument they presented in court that day. However, Amber's team was left with 6 minutes to do their rebuttal since her lawyers got pretty carried away narrating their stories before the jury.
And just for the record, plaintiffs have 39 minutes left for rebuttal. Defendants have 6 minutes. Okay?
Elaine, who practically did a mime show, tried complaining about their remaining time, which didn't really sit well with Judge Azcarate. So, how did the judge react to Amber and her team's complaints, and will this affect the judge's impression of them? Let's find out. Apparently, Elaine tried to wiggle her way out of the 6-minute time limit for their rebuttal during the last day of the trial, and of course, the judge was not having any of it. When Judge Azcarate revealed that Johnny's team still had 39 minutes to do their rebuttal while Amber's team only had 6, Amber's lawyer tried to reason it out and asked that the judge should give them back some of their time, which had been allotted for the sidebars.
I didn't take any time off from the sidebars. 0 off from the sidebars. It's all from testimony. Okay? All right, thank you. All right.
Pretty brave. It's super obvious that this move will cost them more harm than good, and by the way Johnny's team reacts, I'm sure they also know Amber's team messed up. Of course, the judge didn't let them have their way since the time used for sidebars is included and cannot be reimbursed like credit. Ben Chu also finds Elaine's reasoning funny, as you can see him react when he heard the opposing lawyer complain.
Let's come back at 2:10. And just for the record, plaintiffs have 39 minutes left for rebuttal. Defendants have 6 minutes. Okay? I didn't take any time off from the sidebars. 0 off from the sidebars. It's all from testimony. Okay? All right, thank you. All right.
Even the judge was obviously frustrated. Listen to how the judge shuts down their requests. And honestly, I can totally understand why Judge Penny sounds so done. I mean, it wasn't her fault they wasted their time putting on a show, right? Most fans agreed with the judge's decision. This fan compared the difference between the opposing counsels by saying, John is Laywers, spits nothing but facts with actual evidence to prove it in a very long speech that is very impactful. Amber's lawyer, she isn't lying because I said so. Another added, saying, Rottenborn started really good, then I got lost in the middle of the closing argument. Also, Elaine's closing argument feels more like a gossip, it's just all over the place. We all know this attitude won't do them any good, and I'm actually confused why Elaine tried pushing her luck with the judge when I'm sure she also knew the judge could not do anything about it. How about you? Do you think this will affect the outcome of the case? Will Amber's team suffer from this kind of attitude? Let us know in the comments below.